Big news coming in, and this is in regard to the National Capital. Central Agency's intelligence inputs is indicating that key religious places, including the Red Fort area in Delhi, remain on the target list of Lashkar-e-Toiba. Security agencies have issued an alert regarding a possible explosion threat near the Red Fort area. Their input suggesting that a temple in the Chandni Chowk area could be targeted by terrorists. So now security has been beefed up in the area of Chandni Chowk. The intelligence sources indicating that there is an attack that is being planned, and that basically these areas continue to be on the target list of the Lashkar-e-Toiba. We have Anushka, my colleague, joining us in order to get us details. Anushka, after the blast that took place around Diwali at the Red Fort area in Delhi, now another such threat has been identified. As far as security agencies are concerned, they are alerting of another such blast, particularly in the area of the Red Fort in the national capital, Chandni Chowk. Particularly, it could be a temple, it could be the Red Fort area again.
That's right, Divya. Important information coming out from Central Agency intelligence input that has shown that the banned terror outfit Lashkar-e-Toiba is now planning a terror attack, a blast in Delhi's Red Fort area. A temple in Chandni Chowk is on the target list that they have in fact mentioned. Now this all is being done according to intelligence, and what we are given to understand is to avenge the February 6th Islamabad mosque blast that had in fact happened in Pakistan. Now we are seeing that this important information has been in fact brought out by the central agencies here, where they have clearly mentioned that there is a major attack that is planned on several prominent areas all across the all across India. But now we are seeing that they have also in fact mentioned that in the follow-up of the Red Fort blast that had happened around Diwali in November, 10th of November to be very precise, another attack is now being planned by the banned terror outfit Lashkar-e-Toiba. They are doing this to avenge the Islamabad blast that had happened on February 6th this year. And now we are seeing that important intelligence that has in fact been given to the central agencies. The security around the Red Fort area has been increased after this input has been in fact received. We had seen that in the major in the center of the Red Fort area where the blast had in fact happened, and we had shown the kind of impact that it had drawn there. We have seen the kind of white collar terror inputs that were in fact a part of this whole blast. But now we are seeing important input that has come from the central agencies intelligence input that are suggesting that another such impact, another such terror attack has been planned, that is around the Chandni Chowk area. A temple in Chandni Chowk is being targeted by the banned outfit Lashkar-e-Toiba, and the people who are planning it are in fact planning an IED attack, another blast around the Red Fort area.
Anushka brings to mind the attack that took place outside the Red Fort area in which a car that was blown up. Take us through the details of what happened at that time. This was in the month of October, just before around the time of Diwali, when that blast that took place, and the kind of damage that it caused. Take us through the details of that, because this is really bringing to mind what really happened, and this is in a very short span, coming on the heels of that attack, especially in the Red Fort area yet again.
Well, that's right, Divya. We are seeing that in the Red Fort attack, the investigation is right now going on. NIA is looking over the investigation as of yet, but we had seen the kind of impact that the Red Fort blast had on the psyche of the people who are living in Delhi. We had seen many people who lost their lives, and also major damage that had come across the metro area of the Lal Killa gate, the metro gate number 4, that was severely damaged. We have seen the underlying areas had in fact also suffered severe damage in the Red Fort blast that had happened on November 10th around Diwali time. But now we are seeing that this kind of threat that has in fact been coming once again at the heels of the similar attack that had happened, the Delhi blast that had in fact happened around 10th of November. And now we are seeing this central agency intelligence input that is suggesting that another such attack is being planned by Lashkar-e-Toiba to avenge the February 6th Islamabad mosque blast that had happened and had claimed a lot of life in Pakistan.
Right.
Now we are seeing the security that has once again been tightened around the Red Fort area, and the police in fact
therefore
now
planning a major terror strike in India in order to avenge the blast that took place in Islamabad on the 6th of February. Anushka, we will keep coming back to you and keep tracking the story and getting more details on this.